గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి డిఎన్ఏ. డిఎన్ఏ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఫస్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీన్ ఆఫ్ డిఎన్ఏ? డిఎన్ఏ మీన్స్ deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is nothing but called as DNA. First of all, the structure of the DNA is explained by Watson and Crick. These both scientists explain the double helical structure of the DNA. DNA have the double helical structure means these helix spirally arranged two filaments are opposite. They shows the opposite polarity. Here one is 3' and 5' end, another one is 3' and 5' end. This manner number of nitrogen bases are arranged in the DNA. DNA nothing but this is one of the chemical structure. This chemical structure is present in the on the chromosomes. This is a cell. It may be a plant cell or animal cell. This is a nucleus. This is a nucleolus. These are chromosomes. Each chromosome have the genetical material or genetical center. This is the center of the DNA, this red mark. Then here DNA is present, spirally arranged DNA is occurred here. Next, actually the DNA both strands have the different type of things. These are first nitrogen bases are present here. Nitrogen bases. These nitrogen bases are four types. These are adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Okay, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. These four are nitrogen bases. Adenine, guanine is called as purines, and thymine, cytosine is called as pyrimidines. Then these adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine is bonded with hydrogen bonds. Bonded with hydrogen bonds. This hydrogen bonds is double hydrogen bonds and triple hydrogen bonds. Actually always connect the one pyrimid and one purine. Here adenine and thymine always connected to the hydrogen bonds, and guanine and cytosine also connected with the hydrogen bonds. This is the structure. Adenine double bonded thymine, guanine triple bonded cytosine. Okay, this is about purines and pyrimidines. Then next, you deeply observe the total chain structure. Here this is adenine double bonded thymine. That means always purine is connected with the pyrimidine. Then each and every these two are nitrogen bases. These two nitrogen bases are later connected with sugar. This is also sugar. This is also sugar molecule. Then two sugar molecules connected with one phosphate. Here also one phosphate. Okay. Then here observe one guanine triple banded cytosine, then connected with sugar and sugar. These both are connected with phosphate. Then the change the position of the nitrogen bonds here. That means the purine place is change with pyrimidine, pyrimidine place change with the purine. But here same four nitrogen bases are different randomly arranged. Okay. Then this is off of the helix. This is off of the helix. This manner total structure is this off portion is arranged in spirally. This is another off portion. Okay. This is off portion, bonding portion. This is off portion. Closely observe here. This is off portion. Then this is off portion. Okay. Then you coming to the topic. This is the double helix structure. This is one off and this is another off helical structure. Here this is both are nitrogen bases. These also nitrogen bases. Here two terms are occurred. This one is nucleoside, another one is nucleotide. Nucleoside means one nitrogen base, one sugar. These both are called as nucleoside. One nitrogen base plus one sugar. Nucleotide means, tide means three substances. One nitrogen base, one sugar, one phosphate. These three combination is called as nucleotide. If in case here another side one nitrogen base, one sugar, one phosphate. These called as nucleotide. These both are called as nucleoside. Right here nucleoside means one nitrogen base plus one sugar. Nucleotide means one nitrogen base, one sugar, one phosphate. These three combination is called as a nucleotide. Here nitrogen bases are 4: adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Here adenine, guanine is called as purines. Thymine, cytosine called as pyrimidines. These both are called as nitrogen bases. Then these bonds are hydrogen bonds. Here double bond, here triple bond. This is the structure of DNA.